Hi everyone, today I'm going to be making a pecan pie. And to get started on my pecan pie, I have 3 eggs at room temperature. I'm going to put in my bowl. And you just want to whisk these up. Oop, I got a shell. You just kind of want to whisk your eggs up. Okay, I'm preheating my oven to 350. Actually, it's already preheated. I have pre-baked my pie crust that I'm going to be using for 7 minutes at 350. That just helps the bottom of it to get done. Okay, you want to add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Okay, now I want to add a 1/2 cup of packed dark brown sugar. And a 1/2 cup of white sugar. And just kind of mix this together. Dark brown sugar gives it so much flavor. It's so good. I love the caramelization of the dark brown sugar. It tastes so good. Okay, now to this, I want to add a cup of karo syrup. I'm just going to use the light kind. You can use dark or light, whichever one. And if you use your container you melted your butter in, it'll come out better. Or spray it with cooking spray. Okay, add that. And then you just want to add about a tablespoon of vanilla. Okay, I've got a 1.5 cups of pecans. I just want to roughly chop them. There's a bad one. Okay, you want to take your pre-baked pie crust and then add your pecans to it. And you want to add your caramel-y mixture to it, to your pecans. This is going to be so good. I just like to stir the pecans around a little. You'll notice your pecans will start coming to the top of your pie crust, or the top of your pie. Kind of shake a little bit. Okay, it's ready to put in your oven. I'm gonna bake it at 350 for about 45 to 50 minutes, and I'll check it. If it needs longer time, then I'll put it on. Look how good that looks. It's a little jiggly in the middle. Now you just want to let it cool off completely before you slice it.